Hey everybody! So we have a free group coming up next week. Starting on Monday, June 6th, and I wanted to walk you through the process basically of how I created the pictures for my free group, how to create an event, how to create the group, and how you can get this going for yourself, because there's a bunch of different sort of steps to doing this, but it's all super doable for you. And so I really just want to show you how to do this so you can set it up for yourself. So number one, first thing to do is to create your pictures. And I like to do that using Picmonkey. Here is the last Success Club for our team. I'm just going to leave that up there so I can go back and edit it. So Picmonkey, Picmonkey.com. It's free, so super easy to use online. It's my very favorite photo editing tool because I know it and I find it easy to use. Okay, so go to Picmonkey.com and go to Edit. Well, actually, sorry, first back up. First you want to find your pictures that you're going to use, okay? So this is a clean eating challenge, right? So you want to think about what kind of picture do you want to use. So I would want to put out something with a lot of like fruits and vegetables and grains, and to give people that idea or that visual that we're going for. So I pull images from Google primarily, and it's really easy just to go to Google Images. So you can see here vegetables on a wooden table. That's what I Googled last time to find my image. So we'll Google that, click on images, and then you're just going to look through and see what appeals to you. I think I ended up using this one. So all you would do is click on it. Well, actually, nope, it wasn't, because this one's got something over top of it. So you would just go through until you found something, like maybe you like this one, or maybe you like that one, although that one's pretty small, or that one, but see how this is sort of more of a square? So you're just going to go through until you find a picture you like and drag it to your desktop. Now I got another question about how I made the cutout of myself, so I'll show you how to do that too. Okay, so now we have our background picture. We're going to go back to Picmonkey and Edit and Computer, because that's where the image is that you want to use. Now I'm going to show you how to cut out a picture of yourself if I can find it. I can't remember where I put it. Hold on. So that's the one I already did. All right. Well, I'll just use this one just to show you. Okay. Sorry, back up. I'm doing this in the wrong steps. Okay. Sorry, this is a little bit backwards. Okay, go to Design, because first you have to have just a blank canvas up in order to make this cutout image. Okay. So you went to Picmonkey, you clicked on Design, you have a blank canvas here. Then you're going to click on this little butterfly symbol here. This is Overlays. And then you're going to click on your own. And then you're going to go back and you're going to get your picture. Okay. Now we want to erase basically everything that we don't want in the picture, which is basically everything around my body. So we're going to, over here, we're going to click on Eraser, and you can adjust the size of the eraser here. So in the beginning, you can make it really big, because you're just going to go ahead and get rid of all this stuff here, right, that you don't want. Super easy. You get the picture, right? So just go around and get everything you don't want. Then you're going to want to get really detailed and really small to make it look good, right? So come down here, and you're going to zoom way in, and then you're going to make your eraser much smaller, and then you're just going to go right along here like this and start erasing. Now if you accidentally go like that, right, and mess up, you can just click on this paintbrush and go back in, and it will restore it for you. just like that. Okay? And then to move it around, you just click back down here and you click on the various parts that you want to edit. Okay? Now, once that's all done, I'm not going to do it right now because it takes a while, but pretend like I've gone all the way around. I've gotten everything out. You're going to come over here and click on this little square box here. Click on Canvas Color, and then you're going to click on Transparent Canvas and apply. And that's going to turn your image into a PNG, which means you can put it on top of other things. So once you have this, and this check mark would be around all the stuff that you had erased, you would click Save, and then it's going to take you to another screen here, and you're going to click Save to My Computer, and just give it a name where you want to save it and click Save. I'm not going to save it because I don't need to, but okay, click Cancel. Okay, so now imagine you've done that, you've saved it to your desktop, and then we're going to basically start over. Okay, don't save. And now we're going to click Design again. And if you're going to do this for a Facebook ad, which basically you're going to make it into on your like page and then make an ad, you want to make this a specific size. So first you're going to want to go to Resize, and you're going to go 1200 by 628 and apply. For whatever reason, that's the size that Facebook prefers if you're going to make it into an ad. So you've got this, okay? Now we're going to go to our background that we created, that vegetable picture. And you're going to go back here to the overlay, back to your own, and let's see, we're going to find the picture that we want. I think this is the one I ended up using. No, it's not. Okay, hold on. Just delete if you don't want it. Aha, here we go. Okay, now we've got this, and we're going to want to make it fit our picture, right? So we're going to have to make it bigger. And you can just drag it however you want. Another cool thing is, I think this is what I did in my other picture. If you want, you can reverse it. See? You can flop it back and forth, which is super cool. Now you're just going to get it to fit. Okay. There we go. Okay, now this photo has this annoying little label here, right, which we don't really want to have on our picture. So you're just going to go into here and just click on something like this to cover it up with. Okay. And then if you click on here on the color and you click on this little dropper symbol, it will match that color to anything that you hover over. See how that's working? Super cool, right? So we're going to get it as close as we can get. Obviously, it's not going to be able to duplicate wood, but it can get it pretty close. Okay, and we'll just leave it like that. And most people are not going to notice it. All right, so we have our background. And now we're going to add that cutout that you did of yourself. So go back to your own, and you can just search for whatever you named it. Okay, and here you go. You can adjust it to be the right size. And now see, I don't really want to be facing this way because that looks kind of funny. So come over here and just swap it. How cool is that? And then put it in place. Okay, there you go. Now you can see I didn't do an exactly perfect cutout job over here, but most people don't honestly notice that unless they're like in the business of noticing things like that. Most people don't notice. All right, then you're going to add some text. So come over here and click on the T button, add text. And you're going to type in something like free, okay? Then you can change the color by dragging this guy around. I'm going to make him just white. And then you can also change the font to anything that you want, okay? Same thing, just drag it to make it bigger. Say, like put it there. And maybe you want to talk about what it is. 10-day clean eating and challenge. Okay, you can make it look nice. You can change the font, change the color, bring it down here, make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, now once you have it looking exactly how you want, and you can play with all those different things. There's tons of awesome tools here. But once you have it how you want, you're just going to go ahead and save it again. And now this is the picture that we're going to use for either your ad or for just on your page when you're talking about the group. But we want to set up an event and we want to set up a group to send people to. So you're going to need a cover photo. And to do that, you need a specific size. So we're going to X out of here. Go back to design and click on Facebook cover. And that's going to get you the exact dimensions that you want for your Facebook cover, so it fits really nice there. And then you're just going to go through the same process that you did in making your picture. You want to make them look the same, so there's basically coherency between what your image you're showing and the cover photo. Okay, so now we have our pictures done. So we're going to set up the event and we're going to set up the group. So first you want to set up the group because you're going to be talking about it in your event page. So to set up a group, you just go to groups down here, click create group, enter the name, so like 10-day free challenge. They always make you add somebody, so you can add, like I just add my husband in and then take him out after it's created. And for these, I usually always make my groups closed because some people are a little bit private and they don't want everybody knowing that their friends are going. For free groups, you can make it public because that's kind of cool because people will see that their friends are going and then they'll want to go. It's totally up to you. Then you would just click create. And you choose a little image that you want to be the icon. So it's clean eating, so maybe I'll do an apple. Click OK. Then you're going to upload that picture that you just made. Okay, so let's see, here we go. This is the one that I had created last time for mine. And then you would just click Save Changes. And there's your group, ready to go. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to put this link into bit.ly, which is going to allow you to shorten it. So you're just going to copy it. I'm going to come over here and go to bit.ly.com. And then you're going to create bitlink, paste it into here. Okay. Now they just changed it like last night, so I have to remember how to do this. Let's see. Can't remember. Okay, yep, I think that's it. So they're saying it's taken. So free 10-day challenge. You just want to name it something that's representative of what you're doing. Okay, hit enter. That obviously was not how it's done. Okay. Oh, I have to remember how this works. Okay. They really changed this just the other day, and which is funny because I was able to figure out when I wasn't making a video, but no, I can't remember how to do it. I'll have to go back and tell you guys, but you can easily do it without creating a bit link. It just makes it a little cleaner. But going back here, okay, so we have our group, and now we're going to create an event. So you can either create the event through your like page or through your personal page. It's totally up to you. Through your like page, you can promote it, and we can talk more about that. But if you're a brand new coach, I would do it on your personal page. And all you're going to do is go to events. I'm going to go up here to create. And you want to make sure you create a public event. And then here you can either host it as yourself or you can host it as your like page. Either one. Now you're going to add an event photo. Click on that, and you're going to use the same cover photo that you just created that you used in your group. Add a name. So we'll say like free 10-day ab challenge. Like that. Okay, location in your home. Pick your date and time. This one's starting on June 6th. We'll say 6 a.m. You can add an end time if you want, and since it's going to be 10 days. Go through the 15th, you could say 9 p.m. Then you're going to add your description in. So whatever copy that you want to use, I just use the same one in my post, and you would just copy and paste this right in here, and then you would click create. So I'll just show you that really quick. If I go to my like page, so I would basically just take this and I would copy it and paste it into here, okay? And then right here, this is the link to your group that you just created. So you would make sure to copy that into there. And then you just hit create. But I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to make another one, right? Okay. Now, once you are in the event, I'm going to show you how you can invite people. So you just click on the event, and a couple different ways you can do it. So you can hit invite here, choose friends, and click on all friends. And this is going to bring up every single friend. And you can click on whoever you want to invite, like here, blah, 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 blah. And they're going to show up over here, and then you just hit send invites. And all of those people are going to get an invite to your event, which is super cool. Or if you want to, there's this handy little app that you can download in Google Chrome that will allow you to automatically invite 500 of your friends. But honestly, I don't really like to spam people like that, and I only like to invite people who I've personally talked to about the event. So totally up to you if you want to. I have done it before, and it's actually this little check mark right here. See, Facebook invite all. If I hit that, it would invite 500 people to my event. But like I said, I don't really feel great about doing that. I just like to invite people who I've talked to. But again, totally up to you. And then you just hit send invites, okay? Then people are going to see your event, and they're going to click on the link, and they're going to join your group. And what that's going to look like here is it's going to come up in here. So-and-so has asked to join your group. If you click on that, then you can go in and you can see all the people who have requested to join your group. Now, if they're not friends with you already, you're going to go in here, you're going to add them as a friend, and when they accept your friend request, then you're going to send them a quick message just to start getting to know them a little bit better. Personally, I don't add anybody into my group until we are friends and they've returned my message, because if they're not going to engage with me already, then they're not going to be invested in the group, and I really only want people in there who are serious about this and who are engaging in the group. Okay, so that is how you create your picture, you create your event, you create your group, and you invite your friends. So you can invite them through the event, you can personally invite them, and then I would also do quite a few posts on your personal page to start generating interest in this. All right, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions about creating this. And you are absolutely welcome to invite your friends to my group and to run this with me. Or you can also just take my template and run your own group. Totally up to you. But again, let me know if you have any questions, and have a great night. Bye.